Hey guys, so I am creating a series called HTML Hidden Tags, where I teach you some of the unknown HTML tags, and this is my first video. In this video, I am going to show you listing tag. So before I show you what is listing tag, let's see an example without listing tag. Here I just pasted a simple JavaScript function and we see an output, but the output doesn't look great and we can't understand a shit, can we? Now let's see this with listing tag. Just write listing tag with open and close bracket and paste your code there and just see the result. This tag is used to preserve the formatting of text, including whitespace and line breaks. It's commonly used to display code snippets, ASCII art, and other types of text that require precise formatting. I am showing here another example. It's an art made with letter and symbols and we see the output but can't understand shit, can we? Now let's see this inside listing tag. Just write listing and paste your art there. Now let's see the output. Just refresh the page and as you can see we can clearly see the art in an HTML page. Also before I end this, listing tag was used in older versions of HTML but it has since been deprecated and instead of that you can use the pre-tag. It works the same. So thank you for now and I will see you on the next one.